So, if your XP Pen display tablet is showing no signal, don't panic. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by cables, power, or drivers. Let me quickly walk you through the fixes. Step 1. Check all cables. Make sure the HDMI or USB C cables are plugged in firmly on both the tablet and the PC or laptop. Step 2. Confirm the input source. Use the tablet's side buttons or menu and ensure it's set to the correct input HDMI or USB C, depending on your setup. Step 3. Check power. If your XP Pen uses a 3-in-1 cable or power adapter, confirm it's receiving power. Look for the indicator light on the tablet. Step 4. Try different ports. Switch to another HDMI or USB port on your computer. Blue USB 3 ports usually work best. Step 5. Update or reinstall drivers. Download the latest driver for your exact XP Pen model from the official site. Uninstall the old driver, restart your PC, then install the new one.